All right, today we are going to make Earth Day cookies in celebration of our lesson that we've been doing this week about Earth Day. So let you get a close-up of the recipe, and I will be emailing it to your parents so they can have it. All right, so first we need a pan, and it says in the recipe to use spray, but I'm going to use parchment paper. This is what we use at school a lot when we're baking. I find it to be very easy. And I have our, let's see, 3/4 cup of salted butter in here, and now I'm going to add 2/3 cup of sugar, and we're going to mix it together. So there's 1/3, and then here's 2/3. All right. I'm going to come get a close-up of the mixing. And I mix this up. Look at that. Yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. All right. Let's see what's next in the recipe. Oh, and I forgot to say, always wash my hands first. We always do that at school, remember? Before you start cooking. Okay, next we're going to put in 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 egg, and 2 cups of flour. Let's put the vanilla in there, right there. Alrighty. There we go. And then 1 egg. It's always handy to have all your ingredients right there at your fingertips. And look, I got a little bit of egg on my hands, so I'm going to wash my hands again so I don't contaminate anything. That's what I always do when we're cooking at school, so nothing's changed there. All right, and now, nice clean hands. I'm going to dry them off, and we need 2 cups of flour. So let's look at our measuring cup. See, 1 cup. I'm going to put that in. All right, and now we need another cup, so that will make 2. Just got to measure it right up to the 1 cup line right there. All right, and now we're going to mix again. Here we go. Let's get that egg nice and mixed up in there. Let's see, does it look like cookie dough yet? Not yet, it's still kind of dry. Mix it up really good. There we go. Well, you know what I need? I need a spatula. I got these spoons out to make the cookies, but I need a spatula. Ha-ha! Right here. There we go. Let's get it nice and mixed up. Woo! Making a little mess. I kind of always do when we cook at school, don't I? Nothing's changed. I make a mess at home too. It's alright, we'll clean it up later. Alright, now to get this looking like an earth, we have to divide the dough into 2 bowls, and then this is the really fun part. Alright, so here's my second bowl. And we're going to put half of this dough in here. Let's see. Alright, does that look like about half? I think it is. What? Alright, now, here's the best part. 1 bowl gets blue and 1 bowl gets green, and then we're going to mix them together so they look like an earth. Alright, so let's do, this one looks like it has slightly more, and I think if you ever look at a globe, there's way more blue than there is green. So why don't we make the big thing of dough blue, and I'll make a little one green. Slightly smaller, it's not little. Okay, and I'm just going to put my sugar away. We don't need any more of that. Okay, so let's watch it get mixed up. Let's see what happens. Woo! Oh my goodness. A little bit out of control there. And you know what? Just for funsies, I think I might. So, no, I think it's mixing up pretty good. Wow. Okay. All right, let's get that out of there. Remember, I did wash my hands. All right, so we got our green. Think that looks dark enough? I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. All right, now let's mix up our blue. Oh, it's gonna be. Oh, what happened? Oh, it's too much. Here we go. Wow, look at that. Nice and mixed up. Woo. I believe it needs a little more food coloring. Don't you think, Camera Lady?
Yeah, Camera Lady says more food coloring.
More food coloring, more blue. A nice deep blue. Look at that.
Okay, now you're causing cancer with all that.
No, I'm not. And look, I got some red food coloring on my hand where I was getting the blue and the green out, and the red had spilled in my cabinet. So that's another mess I got to clean up after this. All right, let's see. All right, that looks good. It's a nice blue color. Don't you think? Okay, let's get that out. And I want to go check on my green. I feel like we might need a little more food coloring in there too, just to even it up a little bit. All right, let's see. Yeah, I think we might need a little more green. Just a couple of drops. I'm gonna have to rinse my, let's see, my beaters off. Okay, so let's wash these off real quick, and then we'll put them back in the green cookie dough. Let's see here. So I don't want to mix the green and the blue together yet. Okay, nice and clean. Here we go. Let's put them back on here. And here we go. All right, ready for green. Here we go. Woo. Look at that. There's green dough everywhere. Oh my goodness, it's like jumping out of the ball. Okay, I think that's enough. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to eat these. I hope you get to make these at home because you will love them. All right, I'm going to take that little bit out because that somehow did not get food coloring on it, so that's not going to work. Okay, now, I'm going to look at the directions again, right here. And let's see, where are we? All right, right there it says get a spoonful of the blue dough and a spoonful of the green dough into your hand and roll into a ball and put it on the baking sheet. All right, can you get a close-up of that, please? So I'm gonna go like this. And, oh, look at that. How does that look? Sort of like an earth, not exactly, but it's kind of fun. All right, and I'm gonna show you, if you bring the camera this way and look at, we've got the oven ready for 325. Parents need to be in charge of this. So this is, you will need parents' help to make these cookies. All right, so now I'm gonna put them all on the pan like so. I'm gonna mix it up just a little bit more. Oh, I think that one looks even more like an earth. Look at that one. Pretty cool, right? Each one makes a different design. I love it so much. each one looks just slightly different. I don't want to make it too big. Let's see. Okay. There's another one. And this recipe doesn't call for too many crazy ingredients. If you just happen to have food coloring, that will help, but otherwise you usually have flour and sugar and butter around the house. I don't always have vanilla extract, but I did today, so it worked out. Okay, and now watch as we put these in the oven and they cook for 10 minutes. And then I will send a picture of the completely baked cookies, okay? All right, thanks for watching. Bye.